FX, and I'm about to analyze V75 index. I'm on the monthly chart. You see, many people have been confused about the direction of the market. Where is this market headed? Is it a downward market or an upward market? As you can see on the monthly chart, V75 is bearish. The overall trend of the market is bearish. You can see on the bigger picture, this market has been up for some time, and now is about to go down because the neckline, this is a double top here and here, neckline that has been broken, retest, bounce. We are pushing down. What you are seeing is a lower low, lower high, lower low. You understand? This is what is happening here. Some people might be looking at it that, okay, now price might likely come to test this level before pushing back down. No, there's a major level here, a major supply level here, because price is below it. So is this restricting this market from going back up? You understand? We are still pushing down. Let's go to the weekly so that you see what is happening clearly. You see on the weekly, you can see market moves from level to level, from zone to zone. This zone, to this zone. We have moved from this zone to this zone. What is happening here is a retest. So if you didn't get this zone very well, be confused. You think that, okay, market is about to go back up. No. Look at what happened here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The ranges came and make a lower high here just to test this neckline or this double top here and here on the bigger picture. I've tested it. We bounced. We are going down. Okay. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Come and make a lower high after we went down, we pushed down again. So what I'm trying to say is that some people looked at it, feel that, okay, the market has been ranging here, we're about to push back up. It's a major level here, guys. What is happening is a ranging market. Market is ranging. I need to break, and I'm 60% sure this market will break down based on the analysis. Look at the inner trend line on the daily. This is a first touch, second touch. We have touched the third touch. Look at it. This is a third touch. And you also know that the third touch always gives the juicy this thing. The market will bounce down hard. So that's what is happening. That's what is happening. Market is not going back up. This is a third touch. Look at it very well. This is the inner outer line, the inner trend line, the outer trend line, the inner trend line. Price has touched 1, 2. We're on the third touch. Definitely we must bounce to the downside. If you lower down to the daily, the H4 where we trade, look at what is happening on the H4. On the H4 here, these are minor levels. I leave them here so that I can be able to know what market to do, because if I'm selling down, here should be where I'm going to take my first take profit, because anything can happen from here. These are not levels I'll buy from, but I'm also in the trade like this. You understand? Look at 2, 3. We're pushed down. But also know that once we leave, price moves from a zone, either minor zone or dynamic zone or major zone, sorry. Price will mostly go back to test it. 99% at times price will go back to test it. So be rest assured that we might likely touch this counter trend line, go back to test this level before. We might even test it twice. Come test it, but I'm looking at it, we might come back, maybe get to this level at 2167.5.80, which is here. Go back to test it. We might come back, test, or from here test it once, come back and test it twice. It will now look on the bigger time on the H4. It will look a head and shoulder pattern, which is head, shoulder, left shoulder, right shoulder. Somewhere here we'll touch it. You understand? Then we'll push down, and once we get to this place, here will serve as a neckline. Once we get here, this is a minor level. Price will mostly come back here and test this neck, come back and test this level. before push, and as you even break this level, price will still come back to test this level before we proceed. That's how it works. We broke this level, we came back to test it before we went upside. We went up. When price came shy of this level, we still went back to test it properly before coming down. We ranges here, we push back up, came into the level, push back, came into, we will mostly come back to test it again before we push back down. So anybody trying to sell this market now, it will not be right. You have to wait. You understand? You have to wait for price to come back and test this level. Then wait for a bounce. That is when you can sell to the downward. And as you came here selling that, here should be your first take profit. You must bank something. You have two positions. Your first position should be here where you're going to take your profit. I mean, since I've been selling this market, my TP was here, first take profit was here, which that's hitting it, hits my TP. You understand? But I took some profit yesterday and make a withdrawal. So what I'm trying to say is that I have one trade running so far on here, but I'm waiting for this market to come back and test here. The bounce, I'll sell. The first take profit will be here, then I'll roll all the way down. So even if you are confused, you don't know how where the market will go down to, let me show you one thing again that you will do. Okay. Another thing you do is that you measure from where this market starts turning to the neckline. From here to here. Or let me even take it down. No, let me not even be from there. Let's start from here to here. Then you bring it down. See, from here to here, that at least this market will get to this place before anything will happen. So if you are selling overall take profit for this market is 3705.15. This VIX of the 5 index should be here. All right. So guys, that's how you go about this Beijing Empire FX. Don't forget, please subscribe, comment, and share this video so that you get to people that are looking for content like this. Please guys, try to subscribe. Please try and subscribe. Let's grow this family together. Okay. All right. Cheers. Peace.